Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7 and we want to talk about the chordates. The content, there are 6 content. The first is group introduction and the chordates and the phylogeny and characteristic and morphology and anatomy and role in human life. There are 4 members of group. The first is Nur Asia Dahlan, and the second is Alvina Putrani Ahmad, the third is Nur Afni, and the last is Siti Nur Halimah. Did you know about chordates? Chordata is the phylum of the animal kingdom that includes a large number of animal species, including humans. Phylum Chordata animals include all animals that possess a notochord at last and at one point in their lifetime. The phylum of chordates accounts for all 52,000 species of vertebrates on Earth and several thousand species of invertebrates. They range from tiny brainless filter feeders all the way up by now that when we talk about classifying animals, and we're really talking about their share ancestry. Each new branch on this trace marking an important new evolutionary milestone, and just like with tissue layers and segmentation, we can look forward to track the evolution of chordates. By the time all of the toes traces appear in one organism, we'll have arrived at the most complex class within the most complex phylum, the mammals. The characteristics of chordate. Chordates have the notochord. Notochord is a fairly flexible rod of kind of cartilage that extends in the dorsal part of the body, and the nerve cord. The nerve cord is a hollow nerve cord just below the dorsal surface of the animal, and the gill slit is the pairing of area just behind the mouth that has a slit that opens at the outside. And the post-anal tail is the muscular tail after the anal part. This is not found in the other groups of animals, which is usually extend digestive tract along their body.
of chordates. We know there are beneficial and non-beneficial of chordates. First, we will discuss about beneficial of chordates. The first is as a source of animal protein, like producing milk, eggs, or meat. For example, various types of fish, cows, sheep, horses, chickens, and birds. Second, as a producer of clothing material. For example, cows, buffalo, crocodiles, sheep, and goats used to make various products. For example, crocodile and snake skin can be made into purse or bag. As a raw material for the textile industry, for example, the use of sheep's hair to make wool. Third, as a means of transportation. For example, elephants, cows, buffalo, horse, and a deer. Fourth, as ingredients for products medicine and herbs. We know that example, bird and chicken's eggs, snake venom, shark and codfish oil, swallow's needs. We know that animals are believed to be used are medicine for regeneration. For example, sea snake powder can be used to improve memory. Fifth, as a source of natural fertilizer. For example, cow dung, buffalo, horses, goats, chickens, bats, and so on. 6. Adding environmental aesthetic. For example, ornamental birds, ornamental fish, reptiles, mammals, and so on. So, then we know that discuss about the harmful or chordates. The first we know that chordates have some disadvantage. There are the first, livestock space. For example, wilsons, woodhoppers, and castors. The second is plant pets, such as we know that's rats.